Hello and welcome to this video on how money works. Money is something that we all use every day, but do we really understand what it is and how it affects our lives? In this video, we will explore some of the concepts and principles behind money and how we can use it wisely and effectively. First of all, what is money? Money is a medium of exchange that allows us to trade goods and services with each other. Money can be anything that people agree to accept as payment, such as coins, bills, checks, or digital currencies. Money has three main functions. It is a unit of account, a store of value, and a standard of deferred payment. A unit of account means that money can be used to measure and compare the value of different things. For example, we can say that a car costs $20,000 or that a pizza costs $10. A store of value means that money can be saved and used in the future. For example, we can save money in a bank account or invest it in stocks or bonds. A standard of deferred payment means that money can be used to settle debts or obligations that are due later. For example, we can borrow money from a bank or a friend and pay it back with interest. But money is not just a physical or digital object. Money is also a social and psychological phenomenon that influences our behavior, emotions, and relationships. Money can affect how we think, feel, and act in different situations. Money can also affect how we perceive ourselves and others in terms of status, power, and happiness. Here are some quotes from famous personalities that illustrate some of the aspects of money and how it works. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Ayn Rand. Money is multiplied in practical value depending on the number of W's you control in your life: what you do, when you do it, where you do it, and with whom you do it. Timothy Ferriss. Don't let money run your life, let money help you run your life better. John Rampton. Money won't create success, the freedom to make it will. Nelson Mandela. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Robert Kiyosaki. Money is usually attracted, not pursued. Jim Rohn. Money has no gray areas. You either make it or you lose it. Kevin O'Leary. Money can't buy happiness, but it will certainly get you a better class of memories. Ronald Reagan. It's good to have money and the things that money can buy, but it's good too to check up once in a while and make sure that you haven't lost the things that money can't buy. George Horace Lorimer. If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed. Edmund Burke. As you can see from these quotes, money is not just a simple concept. Money is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that has many implications for our lives. Money can be a source of opportunity, freedom, security, and satisfaction. But money can also be a source of stress, anxiety, greed, and conflict. The key is to understand how money works and how to use it wisely and effectively. Money is not an end in itself, but a means to an end. Money is not the goal, but the tool. Money is not the master, but the servant. We hope you enjoyed this video on how money works. If you did, please like and subscribe for more videos on finance and personal development. Thank you for watching and have a great day.